Hello guys, most welcome in Technology Welfare. In this video tutorial, especially I would like to show you how you will use WhatsApp application on your desktop or laptop. So just you have to open your Google Chrome browser and yes, type there WhatsApp and go for search. Then it will reflect. Here just you have to go yes WhatsApp web and click here. After clicking here, QR code will be generated by WhatsApp authority, and here clearly message given here that see open your WhatsApp on your phone, tab menu or setting, select your WhatsApp web that is given below, start the message and point your phone to this screen to capture code. So capture the code, yes, especially QR code you have to capture. So just I go in my WhatsApp web desktop and click on to capture the QR code. Now see QR code. Now what have I to do? Just I have to come here and come in a yes setting. Now see guys, this is a setting. Yes, here you will be able to change your wallpaper, notification, everything, and here once again I will go for setting. This is a profile, new group, of course everything you will be able to, and after consuming this application you must go for logout, otherwise it will be opened automatically when you open Google Chrome browser and type WhatsApp. So just I will off here. Now see guys, it's now logout. So this is way to how to of course use the WhatsApp application on your desktop or on your computer. So thank you guys. If this video has been benefited to you in any way, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave the comment below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query. So thank you guys, have a great time.